From Hollywood, time once again for Money TV. I'm Don Baillargeon. Thanks for joining us. Money TV is the program all about money and what makes it happen. Well, we certainly have seen rampant volatility in the stock market over the last week. The Dow Jones Industrial Average experienced more ups and downs than Bill Clinton's zipper in the Oval Office. Tuesday was wildly entertaining to a casual observer as the Dow could change by 200 points up or down in the time it took to refill your coffee cup or maybe grab some Alka-Seltzer. But it's hard to ignore the substantial gains the markets have experienced over the last 90 days, the past 6 months, or over the past year, despite the events of the last week. So what was the root of all the panic? Well, frankly, the media didn't help, crowing about a 1,000-point Dow drop as if that number had the same effect on a 26,000 Dow as it might have had on a 10,000 Dow. But as we've come to experience during the last 15 months, the media is quick to jump on any story that could be spun negative towards Trump and blow it out of proportion. But the underlying reason is actually quite simple. They have concerns over inflation. Stocks have been rising steadily since the 2016 election. The economy is booming. People are buying things. Unemployment is historically low across the board, and there are more jobs available than there are people to fill them. Everywhere you go, you see help wanted signs and now hiring signs. If you don't have a job in 2018, it's because you don't want one. Companies are having to pay their workers more to keep them and to attract new ones. When labor costs go up, companies will eventually have to raise prices on the products and services they sell to afford their growing payrolls. Wall Street's also concerned over the Federal Reserve attempting to quell inflation by raising interest rates. By making the cost of borrowing money more expensive, the result would be lower corporate profits. Wall Street hates that. But the Fed kind of has its hands tied somewhat to the biggest borrower of money, the USA itself, which is now $20 trillion in debt. Any significant rise in interest rates would send that number to the moon. The national debt is not going to be paid off in our lifetimes, nor our children's, nor their children's lifetimes. Forget it. If we started paying off $20 trillion at the rate of $1 million per hour, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days per year, it would take 2,300 years to just pay off the principal. Ponder that for a moment. Now here's something you don't have to ponder whatsoever. It's our toll-free number, good from anywhere in the world you're watching the program, 888-259-4449. That's to get free information about our featured guests. When you do call, be sure and ask to be added to the subscription list of our Money TV newsletter. It is also free, as is the call from anywhere in the world, 888-259-4449. Be sure and visit us at MoneyTV.net. Please like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter.